I've been needing a place to store and organize my files, so today, we're setting up a filing cabinet to do just that. And this filing cabinet comes shipped to your door, ready to organize your files as well. Cut open the box and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Locate your instructions and your hardware, and let's begin. To get started, screw the side walls to the back wall. Then when those are secure, stand it upright. Slide in the front panel from the inside of the two walls, and then fold in the metal tabs to hold that in place. Next, bolt down the drawer sides on both sides of the cabinet. Then put on the top panel and screw that down from the inside of the cabinet. After that, you can flip over the cabinet and slide in the bottom panel. Then push the metal tabs in on all sides to hold that in place. Set the cabinet upright again and slide it out of the way. Now it's time to build the drawers. Screw the side walls to the front panel. Then when those are secure, slide in the bottom piece and bend down the metal tabs to hold it in place. Then grab the back panel and bend in the tabs to make a right angle. Slide it in and then bend the tabs the rest of the way to lock that down. Turn around the drawer and then grab your handle. Screw that down, as well as the label holder. Then your drawer is built, and you can slide it into the cabinet. Repeat those steps for the next drawer, and slide that in as well. And like that, the filing cabinet is built and ready to go. I grabbed some file folders, as well as my loose paperwork. Then I opened my new filing cabinet and loaded in my folders and files. Now every time I open the drawers, my files are nicely organized. I can see all my labels clearly and easily find what I'm looking for. The filing cabinet measures in at 24.6 inches tall, 17.9 inches deep, and 14.2 inches wide, and has more than enough space to store all my files. I also like that you can put your own labels in the front. This will help keep an extra level of organization. But for now, the labels on the folders are enough for me. The filing cabinet was also just the right size to be able to slide under my spare desk. It fit perfectly, and I love that I can tuck it out of the way. I think it looks pretty clean under there too. But I do have one complaint. One of the drawers has a lock, but I wouldn't trust it to keep anything safe. You could get into it if you really wanted, but I'm not trying to keep my files safe, I'm trying to keep them organized. So this will be perfect. Besides that, I'm quite happy with this filing cabinet. It was easy to build, has a lot of space, and I'm glad to know where all my files are now. So if you have some files that need organized, this filing cabinet might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go see if I can find any more files floating around. See ya.